I was the first man through the barbed wire on Omaha Beach on the day of the invasion. There's one man that deserves recognition for that entire invasion being a success. And that was the man that set the Bangalore torpedo off to blow the barbed wire that we had to go through. I'm looking at trying to find a visual way through that damn barbed wire, when all of a sudden a small man hit the ground alongside of me. And there wasn't really that much room there for him, but he made it. And he was pulling something. I saw what it was. It was a Bangalore torpedo. And he got it up alongside of him, and he went into his rifle belt and pulled out the primer, stuck it in the end of that Bangalore torpedo, pushed it ahead of him. And then when he got to the wire, he pushed it under the wire. He pulled the fuse ladder and backed up, and it lit. And he was scrunching himself backward, and he looked at me and he just sort of flinched, not a real pronounced flinch, but I knew he was hit, and he just closed his eyes. He was dead on the spot. He got it lit before he died. If any man on that beach deserved a medal, that man did. And through that hole in the wire, the entire Red team exited the beach